Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up the pay what you want pricing on Sellfy? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up pay what you want pricing on Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing content, you know that sometimes you're going to do a live stream and offer a product and your viewers can pay what they want. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set one of your products to pay what you want pricing, you're going to click here on the left, products. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the products that you're offering on Sellfy. So scroll through until you find the product you want to change the pricing for. So for example, this one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on edit. Okay, so here you are on the product edit page. And to set up pay what you want pricing, you're going to scroll down until you see price setting right here. Okay, you can see I'm offering this for $2,000, but off to the right, you're going to see this little toggle button, pay what you want. Go ahead and turn that on. It's gray right now, so it's off. So you want to make sure it's green. Okay, once you flip it, it's going to turn green right here. Now you do need to enter in the minimum price if you're going to have that. So if you want, you can go ahead and change that to $1. So basically what's going to happen is when your viewers go to purchase, they have to pay at least $1, but anything above that they can choose. So I probably wouldn't set this too high, but I don't know. I guess it depends on your audience, because if you tell them they could pay what they want, but you set the minimum at like, I don't know, 500, then it's not really them choosing what they want to pay, but that's really up to you. So once you set that up, go ahead and scroll to the top and click on save product. Okay, now it has been saved. So anyone who lands on this product page, they're going to see that they can pay what they want with a minimum of $500. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up pay what you want pricing in your Sellfy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.